How do you contribute to VS Code? Just like any other open source projects, there are many ways you can be a contributor to VS Code. You can start off with something simple like looking at our documentation and helping us be better in it. For example, the VSCode-docs repo is responsible for all the documentation you see in our code.visualstudio.com website. So there it is, the easiest way, documentation. Say you want to get your hands dirty with some code. Then hop on over to our VSCode repo. We have issues labeled with help wanted or good first issues, which should be something that you should take a look at. Most of the times, we would have code pointers there on how to get things started. If there is something missing, give us a nudge, and we will put the right pointers right there for you to get started on. Before starting on an issue, it's also helpful if you outline your approach or think what you're going to do and write it down in the said issue. That way, if there is something we can help you with right away, saying that, oh, well, we tried that approach, but that didn't work, you can get some help before you start submitting your PR. Once you submit your PR, make sure to add all the details as much as possible you can in the said PR. So there it is. You have PRs that you can submit for code as well as for documentation. But is PRs the only way that you can contribute? Not at all. You can also log issues as and when you see if there is something wrong with the product. If there's any obvious bugs, there's a bug reporter right in Visual Studio Code, you can use that. If there's a perf issues, please do report it. The other best way you can help us is in bug triaging. We get almost 100 issues each day that we have to look at. So take a look at those, tell us what you feel, and see if you can repro those issues.